Welcome to Open Conversations. Today we're going to talk about something a lot of people avoid, poverty. It is not an easy topic, but it's real. It's around us. Sometimes it even feels invisible until you really look.
Yeah, I actually saw a kid this morning selling some pagita near the Tonda church. He couldn't have been more than 8 years old, but his smile, it was so genuine. It makes you think, some people have so little, yet they still find reasons to smile.
Exactly. Life without money isn't just hard. It's full of quiet battles we don't always see. Poverty isn't just about being hungry. It's about waking up every day wondering how you'll make it through. No steady income, no safety net, just hope, and sometimes that's all people have left.
I grew up in a place where that was normal. Parents skipping meals so their kids could eat. Kids walking to school with torn slippers but still showing up because they wanted to learn. That's strength if you ask me.
Some people call it survival, but it's also courage, the kind you don't always notice unless you live through it.
It's funny how we sometimes take things for granted, like clean water, electricity, or even having choices. When you live without money, choices disappear. It's not just what I should eat, but will I eat?
And yet, those same people often have the biggest hearts. I remember one time a street vendor gave me free food just because I looked tired. I tried to pay, but she smiled and said, "It's okay, maybe one day you'll do the same for someone else." That moment stayed with me.
That's real kindness, the kind that doesn't ask for anything in return.
What amazed me is how people still find hope in the middle of poverty. They still dream of sending their kids to school, of building a small home, of breaking the cycle.
Yeah, poverty can take a lot of things away, but not hope. And that's something we can all learn to appreciate what we have and to help when we can.
Even small acts matter. Sharing food, donating clothes, or simply listening. It can change someone's day. Sometimes it's not about solving everything, it's just about caring.
So maybe, life without money isn't just a story about hardship. It's a reminder that people are more than their circumstances.
Yeah, and that compassion is something we can all afford to give. Because in a world where so many struggle to survive,
Let's remember to see, to feel, and to care because even the smallest act of love can make someone's world a little lighter.